What's up everybody, Lycan-Strife, your Rebel Drifter, and this is the new packaging from Ridmii. So the last time you saw me unbox Crystal from the company Ridmii, and they were not really happy with the packaging that they sent my way, because they were really in the midst of making better packaging, and this is a part of that. So we wanted to show you that real quick. This is of course a smaller box, because they normally, if they send out a lady, it's going to be a longer box. So you'll be greeted by this, and I also think it's very distinctive with the orange and the blue tape on there. So in the meantime, we're going to open up this box because they want to send me an extra also for making this extra bonus video for them. So yeah, let's open it up and see what's inside. Alright, here we go. Let's see if we can do this very carefully. Only go as far as we need to with the knife. There we go. Let's not cut into the green screen. Alright. Okay, so here we go. They wanted to show me not only, of course, this box, as far as I know, but they also now have their own branded Ridmii sleeping bag, so it seems. So we're going to open that up in a few as well. We're going to put that over here. Then we have their completely new packaged, also marked Ridmii goodie bag, which is going to be a specific, oh cool, this is a specific clothing set that they added for me with apparently a necklace. That's pretty cool. So we need to eventually make a video of Crystal that we unboxed a while back, and then also put her in that suit or in that clothing. Here is a Ridmii doll user manual, which is also really cool. So you have your QR codes on there, and there's like all sorts of extra information and pictures. So I got to be careful with that, showing that on YouTube. Yep, there you go, because there was already nudity there. Then they have your specific warming wand, and then we're gonna see the huge ass comb again. That's nice. And of course your cleaning area thing, which again, you have to, you can draw water and then rinse it out with that, and that's it. Oh, there's something else in there. Oh, there's a little Allen key in there as well. So that's gonna be their whole package. Really nice design again on their own brand on there as well. Then we have a orange curly wig in here, because they also wanted to send me a TPE head, which is this one right here, because not to draw any negativity to the unboxing video, but there were people that said, of course, because of the silicone head, which is a hard head, and then the TPE body, there's going to be a little bit of a color mismatch. That's not always the case, but especially when you have a hard or soft head, it's just difficult to get that right, because colors come out differently when you have a soft or a hard head. So let's open this one up and see how she looks. Oh no. What? Might as well just put the box on the side like this. And then again, gently open everything up and see how she looks. Oh, she has there's also a face shield in there, and of course the thing for the protection for her eyes. So this is the new, or the different TPE head. There's a little bit of a dent on her head from the face mask that has been pressed in, but that probably will fade away eventually when she's out of this. I'm gonna put her up on the new body, of course, and there's a little bit of tape residue on here as well. Don't know if you guys can see that, a little bit over here, but this is all just for demonstration purposes. They just sent this over so we can show you how the body and this TPE head looks when you don't have a hard silicone head on there. So let's get her assembled and check that out. As you can see right there on the blankets, there's a TPE head that I had on here, which is a Jinx head from a different brand. Now they still have this neck, of course, with a specific clip on there. And the nice thing is they have a simple pop-on head quick connect. So we're going to do that right now. And this is how she looks. So that's actually already a lot better. As you can see, the color difference is not that big, or really not that noticeable at all. It really depends on the lighting as well. But yeah, let's put her wig on because she looks a little bit strange without the hair on. Alright, so this is how she looks with her little outfit on, which is pretty cool. I do have to blur her chest because there are things protruding through the clothing, and that's also a no-go on YouTube. So yeah, very cool. I'll pick up the camera and move it around a little bit regarding the details of the suit, or the clothing. Alright, so again, this is how she looks with the wig on. Then we need to move away from her a little bit and then look through the sides. There's no necklace going on. It's actually this area right here. It's the side of her dress. And then it also comes with a panty that you can put underneath, but we haven't done so. And yeah, again, very nice stuff. Cool fabric. Very loose and thin and nice looking. And yeah, with her TPE head now on, it actually looks pretty cool. So that's nice, you know. Like I said, I have to blur the chest. So again, a big shout out to Ridmii. Thank you very much for sending the bonus package and giving me the opportunity to explain to your future customers what you are doing with your packaging and how everything looks from now on until the future. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Please leave a like and subscribe. If you're a doll maker or brand or vendor and you would like to sponsor me or discount me or whatever, you have something cool in mind regarding our YouTube channel, then please don't hesitate to contact me as well. Thank you very much for watching. Like I said, please leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.